5:30 AM and cleaning the pool. First of all, I fill it up, and then second, I get the buckets and throw the water to keep the outside pass all the dust off it. Then number 3, I'll suck all the dirt out the water. I'll get the hose on now to suck the water out. I'll just suck the water out. I put the filter in on the hose. I can just suck the water, all the dirty water out. Now it goes down now. Once it gets to the bottom, I can just suck it all out with the dirt. Collects in a bag, so filter. You can see the difference in the water. They're really, really dirty. But it's amazing the dirt that falls when it rains. It's like pollution for the cities. Come into the country and block up the pool. I'll turn the water off and I'll show you how much dirt comes out. You can see the amount of dirt that comes off the bottom when you hover over the pump to suck up all the dirt. Just a vacuum from the hose into the bag. Then the dirt goes inside the bag. Then just clean it. But that would be two times to clean it out.